Good night, good night. Good night straight. Good night or good day. One time you watch this video, you just make your own comment regarding distribution blow this solar panels by Gawan Assassin Ren Mutuel. As a citizen blow, West New Britain, me looking this no make sense. I'm no even by benefiting me lo wambla 10 to 15 years. And for a short time being by taking me was 2 to 3 years by experience you me receiving this la solar panels. So all man, sa form da suggested me la losing no yana. Me like something be blood soul. Government bring me or lo bring him services. This la no service. Or you meet people cry lo service, you know this la kind service. If you like a service, you meet lo big blood deals with him. Infrastructure, road infrastructure, pulling power concern the community. Road concern the community, helping Papa Mama lo karim beg cobra lo place lo town. Ino blomi lo katim cobra cooking finish na looking painim way lo painim transporting bolo town. Them all service me talk lem but benefiting now you me na tomorrow all beginning me tumbuna na generation do go. Me just look at this land. I mean one day me frustrated lo every year when we are heading towards the election. Gawan Assassin Ren Mutuel use delivery this la all solar panel. Why can't you just pull in power inside building road na pull in power inside lo place lo mibla? This la solar panel I'm not taking mibla one bla 20 to 30 years no gat. By experience I'm taking me 4 to 5 years ta sol na also la go barab na about battery go out na imi had lo change him too. So concern lo me muslim. People lo West New Britain now you me heading towards the national election of 2027. So this la kind or something, all distribution, all this la something all blame, this la kind all period of time you must have this is political game. All come lo brainwashing you meet as well lo giving power all can lo next general election lo next 5 years. So suppose you look good lo this la you me like him service, this la am no service. Me at me looking myself no service. I'm not benefiting me lo one long time. I'm a fall short lo for 5 to 4 years, 6 years so kind of sema. I'm experiencing no gata is me looking. So me like think you all mangi or you all Papa Mama such you watch this la video. Please. This la next election make him good leader you me. In no leader blow you deliver him all this la kind all toys na this la kind all lousy all devices. You can buy him, you can make him cobra go salim na buy him but the problem is where's the road? You may like him solar light, where's the power? Suppose you pull in power come inside the place, then people will be civilized. All but non block cross fight to mass, all but look him service, all but respect him, all house blow, also we all make him mistake him. This all good plus services, all power, house, water, one something government pull him, all but respect him. You to talk services, please. Making sure you must put him road goal 1 or rural area of West New Britain. Pull him power on side, generate him all hospitals, lo avoid him all big pla accident, lo you mean myself him all arabi before all die na mel road, lo mi plakari mo lo bus go come find him road lo go lausi. Thank you. I'm really thinking to me chol and me lusin libla. Peace.